Hello, hello! Today, in the Letters Challenge, you will choose your gift, find the odd one out, play the memory game, and enjoy even more fun challenges. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start with the letter T. T says T. Now choose your toy. The word toy starts with the letter T. So cute! Can you find the different T? Think carefully. Here comes the T. The funny T. Which word starts with T? Truck, bus, or car? Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes. It's the word truck. It starts with the letter T. Let's move on to our memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter T hiding? Do you remember? Yes! It's hiding behind spot number 6. Can you find the small letter T? Yay! There it is! Now it's time for the letter P. P says P. Choose your pizza. P is for pizza. So yummy, so funny. Can you find the different P? Where are you, cute little P? Ah, there you are. Which word starts with P? Is it kangaroo, penguin, or rabbit? Yes, it's the word penguin. It starts with the letter P. Time for our memory challenge. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, can you find the letter P? Do you remember where it's hiding? Good job! It's hiding behind spot number 1. Can you find a small letter P? Yay! There it is! Great job, little geniuses! You did amazing today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye!